Hello everyone, we'll be taking a red color chain cloth and then we'll be putting the chain over it like this. So you can fix it by stitching it in the between. Now fold it upward and put another cloth over it and then put these stitches again. Now after that we'll be folding the cloth and then again press it from the sides like this. Now put the stitch again using the sewing machine like this. Now follow the same step for the other side and then you have to fix the clothes like this. Now fold the cloth from the between and then you have to stretch it like this little bit and put these stitches on the sides. So now make a rectangle like shape and put these stitches like this. Now after that we'll be repeating these steps and it's done. Next, take a black color cloth and the yellow color cloth and put it like this. Now cut it and fold it. So now put these stitches by keeping them in a line. Now we'll be folding the cloth and then we'll be making the U-like shape and then you will be putting the stitch again. So now after that cut it from the ends and then you have to make the shape like this. Stitch it carefully as shown in the video. Now again put the thread like this and then or put the stitches. Now fold it from the top also and put the stitches like this. Now after that we'll be folding the cloth as shown in the video and put the stitches like this. Now after that we'll be cutting the cloth like this and then you will be putting by folding it as shown in the video. Put the lace on the other side as well and then you have to again put the stitch like this. Now after that we'll be cutting it like this and press it from the top. Now after that you have to put the stitches together like this. Now after that we'll be putting the threads or the cloth over it like this and then put the stitches. Now put another stitch over it like this. Now turn the cloth inside out as shown in the video and again we have to put these stitches from the front. So you can choose dark color or the black color thread so that it is not visible over the cloth. Now fold it like this and it's done. Next we'll be taking the orange color threads and put the another orange color cloth into each other and cover it with the black one on the back. Now we have to put these stitches as shown in the video. Now from the between cut it with the help of a scissor. Now turn the cloth again and then you have to put it like this. Now stitch it from the back side as well or in the front first. So here we are making a pocket. Now we'll be fixing it from the sides like this and put the stitches very carefully. Now after that you have to just put the threads like this from the top. Keep stitching it as shown in the video and in the same manner like this. Now after that you will be covering it like this. Now after that fold it from the back like this or the sides and then press it and again put the stitches by spreading it little bit. Now after that you will be folding it on the top like this. Fix it as shown in the video carefully. Now after putting the threads cut it like this from the sides and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.